and welcome to another Job Pro Technology tutorial. Today we will be reviewing the process of adding time rates to your resources. Adding time rates allows you to schedule and pay your resources more efficiently. Let's get started. First, we will want to make sure the time rates are set up properly within your system. Go to the Settings drop-down and select Configure Time Rate Types. Some of the most common time rate types are regular, prevailing wage, and overtime, but you can configure your system any way you prefer. Once we have ensured that your time rate types are exactly how you want them, click Save to finish. If your resource has not been added to the system, you will want to do that now. If you do not know how to add a resource, click the link in the description for a tutorial on how to do this. Otherwise, you will simply need to navigate to the Search drop-down and select Resource. From here, you can search for the resource you would like to update using the search criteria available. Once on the resource page, navigate to the Time Rates tab. Here you will see all of the time rate types we have previously set up. Simply add in the resource's rate information as needed. If the resource makes $15 an hour on their regular hourly pay, simply enter 15 in the regular field. Not all time rates need to be filled out, but as a note, when adding this resource's time to a job, you will only have the option to choose from rates that have been filled out on this page. For more information on how to enter a resource's time to a job, please check out our tutorial on time entry. That is going to wrap up our tutorial on adding time rates to your resources. If you're a Job Pro customer and have any other questions about adding time rates, call us at 704-584-4019 or send an email to support@jobprotech.com. If you are not a Job Pro customer but want more information on how to become a part of the Job Pro community, call us at 704-584-4015 or send an email to info@jobprotech.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Stay tuned for more of Job Pro's tutorial videos in the future.